It's Mother's Day, guys, and what can I say? Happy Mother's Day! Short video today because it's Mother's Day. My mom is waiting for a Mother's Day from me. Why am I doing a Mother's Day video? Well, it's all about mom, and I get a lot of coach emails for mom. A lot of people try to have great relationships with their parents and they realize that it's hard. Until we start to get older and have kids and grow a family, or because we get older we realize that mom's not going to be always around. For some people, mom's not around, and it's not until that moment that you realize all this that it gets real. An appreciation for mom changes, and it's a big appreciation for everything that she does and everything she did. Having that relationship with mom is kind of hard. The process is very simple. We look at our values, we look at our views on life, we look at everything, and we always want to kind of go our roots, especially when we're going through that high school phase and into our early 20s. So this process of growth, it's taking the values we had and then looking at the new values we're growing. This whole idea is not that complicated. I think we can all see it and understand it. My video today is more specific on those arguments we have and being able to be more patient and loving with our parents, specifically mom. Most of the emails I get, they're around this control issue and the fights that occur around control, where moms try to express what is best for their children, and the children look at it from a perspective of, well, they think I don't know anything and I'm stupid. We have to step back and look at it from a perspective that they want the best for us. The communication and the delivery is not what we want to see, however. And in that process, our thoughts, our emotional control, it kind of gets, thrown in the back. Where we start to think, yeah, they think I'm stupid and I don't know what I'm doing. In yesterday's video, I read an email out and I made a video about boundaries and this whole idea behind being able to establish healthy boundaries. With that, integrity has to play a big part. This is to say that when you make a decision, you need to own your own decision. You need to be able to build your boundaries around this idea that any decision you make, you have to express it to your mom that, listen, I love you, but this is something I gotta do. I'm gonna try it, and I need you there if I fail. And if I fail, I don't want blame. I want to own it, and it's me. I made the mistake. This is the learning process and the growth. It's that idea that integrity has to happen in this, moment of trust building. And this is where your mom will start to realize eventually, I'm not saying it's overnight, but she'll start to realize that, I need to let her do her life. I need to let him do his life. I need my kids to shape their own path. And what you'll find is every time there's Mother's Day, you won't be like, oh my God, it's Mother's Day, what do I need to do to make sure she's happy? But rather, every time you see your mom, you'll start appreciating your mom more and more. Because we only get one mom, and the reality is that we need to make the effort to build that relationship as much as mom needs to do too. So happy Mother's Day to everybody. Go get some flowers, go get some lunch, go get some dinner, and really appreciate the moment you're having with your mom. And of course, hit a like, hit a subscribe, and share this with anybody who might find some value with it.